off and feed it to a zebra. That's it, I'm cutting that tree down. Oh my god! Shut! Shut your god mouth! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna rip you to shreds with a mini grinder. Fine then, keep going. Keep going.